Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best exercise bikes in 2024. Finding the right exercise bike for you can be tough because there are so many different options out there. I've got you covered, you're in the right place. But before we showcase these game changers, do us a favor, hit the like button, share the video, comment with your thoughts, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech goodness. Want to get Hansen with these exercise bikes? Check out the description below for all the links. So let's get started. Number 5. XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. The XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike is a good option for those looking for a budget-friendly and space-saving exercise bike. Here's a breakdown of its features. Folding design. This bike folds up compactly for easy storage, making it ideal for small apartments or homes. Weight capacity. It has a weight capacity of 225 lbs, which is suitable for most users. Resistance levels. It offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance, which allows you to adjust the difficulty of your workout. Console. The console tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. It is powered by 2 AA batteries, included. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Desk Mini Exercise Bike. This is a compact exercise bike that can be used under a desk or while sitting on a chair. It features magnetic resistance, a digital monitor that tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned, and a carrying handle for easy portability. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Desk Mini Exercise Cycle Bike. User weight limit. The bike has a weight limit of 250 pounds. Stride length. The stride length is 7 inches, which may be too short for some people. Seat adjustability. The seat is not adjustable. If you are looking for a mini exercise bike for light exercise, the Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Desk Mini Exercise Cycle Bike is a good option. However, if you are looking for a more intense workout, you may want to consider a different type of exercise bike. Number 3. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance. The Marcy ME709 Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance is a budget-friendly option for those looking for a comfortable and low-impact exercise option. Here's a breakdown of its features. Magnetic resistance. The ME709 uses a magnetic resistance system, which provides smooth and quiet operation. This is ideal for home use as it won't disrupt others. 8 resistance levels. The bike offers 8 different resistance levels, allowing you to gradually increase the difficulty of your workouts as you get stronger. Adjustable seat and handlebars. The seat and handlebars can be adjusted to fit a wide range of users. This ensures a comfortable riding position for people of different heights. LCD computer display. The LCD computer display tracks your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer. This allows you to monitor your progress and stay motivated. Number 2. Marcy Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike for Home and Home Gym. The Marcy Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike NS1206R is a recumbent exercise bike designed for home use. It features a magnetic resistance system, a digital monitor that tracks your workout stats, and a quick adjustable seat. Here are some of the key features of the Marcy Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike NS1206R. Magnetic Resistance System. This system provides a smooth and quiet ride, and it allows you to adjust the difficulty of your workout. Digital monitor. The monitor tracks your speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse. Quick adjustable seat. The seat can be easily adjusted to fit a variety of users. High-density foam padding. The seat and backrest are padded with high-density foam for comfort. Transport wheels. The bike has transport wheels, so you can easily move it around your home. Number 1. Stamina Recumbent Exercise Bike with Smart Workout App. The Stamina exercise bike that is designed for home workouts. It has a weight capacity of up to 250 pounds and comes with a free smart workout app. Here are some additional things to consider when purchasing the Stamina Recumbent Exercise Bike 1346. The bike does not have a built-in screen, so you will need to use your own device, such as a smartphone or tablet, to access the smart workout app. The bike is not as feature-rich as some other exercise bikes on the market, such as the Peloton bike or the Nordic Track S22i Studio bike. However, the Stamina is a more affordable option, and it may be a good choice for people who are looking for a basic exercise bike for home workouts. These are just a few of the many great exercise bikes on the market. The best bike for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Be sure to consider your budget, fitness level, and the types of workouts you want to do when making your decision. Thanks for watching.